Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is going to be victim mentality versus survivor mentality. Now what that is basically, a victim mentality is when you think that you're a victim. You think that life happens to you and you don't happen to life, right? Everything is not, it's not your fault, but it's everybody else's fault or everything else's fault. And you don't take accountability for your actions and for what happens to you. Right? And a lot of people see themselves as victims when they're really not. And we have to understand that we create our own lives with our own choices. And a survivor mentality is the opposite. It's basically saying, all right, everything I do is because of me and my actions. And I'm a survivor, and I'm going to keep moving forward and pushing through obstacles. And I know that everything I do is my choices, and it's my choices that affect my life, not everybody else's stuff. It's me. Everything is on me. It's 100% accountability, right? So
yeah, in life you gotta be accountable. You have to understand that things are gonna happen to you regardless of what you do, and there's always consequences for your actions. So you need to make sure that you understand that you hold yourself accountable for everything you do and what you're gonna do to push yourself forward. Things will happen. Someone can accidentally hit your car. What are you going to do about that? Oh, maybe I shouldn't have parked it right in, the middle of the street. Maybe I should be careful on where I park in the city or something, You have to be aware. You have to hold yourself accountable regardless of whatever it is. I'm just using a car example, as just a basic thing. Things that can happen to you as well, like personally, like, you lose your job. Why lose my job? Maybe if I didn't come in late every day to work, every single day, then maybe I wouldn't have lost my job. Maybe I should do something about that, something like that.
yeah, it's about taking 100% accountability for your actions and understanding that you make your own choices and you are the result. You make your own results in life, right? It's not Trump's fault. It's not it's not everybody else's fault, right? That we like to blame. It's really what you do that defines your life. So when people constantly complain about their living situations or the fact that maybe they're overweight and they're unhappy, they don't like their job, stuff like that, and they think it's because of the world, right? They think, oh, they did this to me, the world did this to me, and they don't really think about what they're doing to change their life. They don't take accountability, and they see themselves as a victim more than a survivor, whereas as a survivor mentality, right, you think, okay, I've been through a lot of stuff, but I'm going to keep going anyway because I'm a survivor, I'm not a victim. I create my destiny. No one else does that for me except me, right? So you have to have that concrete mentality in order to keep pushing through life, because if you think you're a victim, you're not going to get very far. You're just going to blame everybody else, and you're going to play the blame game and blame all the other influences and not your own actions, because those are the actions that really count, is what you do for yourself, not what everyone else does. Or you have the choice to do anything you want in this life, so no one's keeping you, unless you're in a country that really makes you stay in your house or something like that. But you have the choice to do different things in life. You have your own options, your own ability. No one is forcing you to do anything in life.
Yeah, you have free will. That's the whole point. Humans have free will. We can do what we want. We have to make sure that when we do these things that we want to do, we hold ourselves accountable for them, and we understand the consequences of our actions. If you wanna, you and your friend run on a mountain, you gotta also understand that there's consequences to that. Let's say if it's raining, one of you can slip and fall off the mountain. That's a horrible situation. Maybe you should make sure you all have the proper equipment, the proper gear to be doing something like that, so on and so forth. Those examples are probably some of the best ones.
You have to take the action yourself to change your life for the better. If you think that you're not in a good place in your life, well, that's no one's fault except your own. Yes, there are certain setbacks that you can have, and life is always going to throw you setbacks, but it's how you respond to those setbacks that really define who you are, right? It's like what they said in Batman Begins. It's not who I am underneath, it's what I do that defines me, right?
Yeah.
So that's basically summarizing the whole thing. You have to take the action, right? No one's going to do it for you. No one is going to go on this journey with you. You have to do it. There's a certain thing that you have to do on your own. You have to change your life for the better with your own mind, and you have to get on that mindset that, okay, I'm going to push forward no matter what. No one's going to stop me. Unless someone's literally knocks you out and takes you over the shoulder and just carries you away and you just die. That's the only way that someone can stop you from doing what you have to do. No one's making you do anything in this life. And you can't just go around blaming the president or blaming the government blaming your friends, blaming family. You can't go blaming people your whole life. You have to take accountability for yourself. Understand that you create your own choices. You have the ability to make your own choices. You have that free will, as Mike was saying.
Yeah.
So you have to get on that survivor mentality and get out of that victim mentality. Because if you tell yourself, I'm not a victim, I'm going to make these changes right now, and then you go do it. And suddenly, that victim mentality goes away over time, but you have to take those small steps and take the action first. You can't just sit on the couch and say, why does my life suck? Your life sucks because you've made some bad choices. So now you have to get rid of that dirty mindset and start making some healthy choices that make you become better. Stop filling out job applications for new jobs that will better suit you. Go out running or start changing your diet, which most people really need to do, guys. A lot of you really need to start changing your diet. And you know this too. You know this. You know you have to change your diet.
Yeah. Also, some people also use this victim mentality when, like, they have a certain mental disorder, or, like they have a disability like ADD, or even one of the higher versions of the spectrum on that, and they use that to hold themselves back. But you need to have the survivor mentality to be like, okay, I have this situation. Like for me, I have ADD. And it hurts me when I try to work on these videos or something with All Gains, and it slows my pace down, and I easily get distracted on certain things, and I can't always focus. And so with me, I always have to be like, okay, I am self-aware that I will get distracted, but what am I going to do about keeping myself on top of my topic and keep me on focus? What am I going to do once I start drifting off and not knowing what I was just doing just now? I have to make sure that I can come back, and that's what you have to do. You have to think about what you're going to do about the situation that you have, the hand that you're dealt,
Yeah, I was once 70 pounds fatter, right? I was fat. And I could have played the victim card my whole life. So, I'm fat because I can't stop eating, and it's all the food's fault. No, I chose to eat those bad foods. I ate McDonald's every day, right? I ate cookies baked in the oven that I really miss. I'm getting myself. I miss those. Anyway, but I made those choices, right? I was fat because I made those choices to be fat. And then when I decided to not be a victim anymore of myself, of my own bad choices, and started making healthier choices, that's when I lost the 70 pounds, right? That's when I started gaining real muscle, right? That's when I started getting in the gym and actually taking action, when I decided that I was not a victim anymore. I was a survivor. I've been through all this trauma in my life, right? I've been through all these bad times, these bad moments, these moments of pain. I took those moments and I made it into something beautiful. That's what everyone should do. Take the bad moments and turn them around on its face. Flip the script. Make yourself from a victim to a survivor. Said, I've been through this. What else can I go through? What else can my mind take? What other pain can I take to become better, right? You have to level up. It's time to level up right now. Stop being a victim. It's time to be a survivor. Right?
Go.